Here we have the Onyx. Now the Onyx is an extra large topper. It's a 9 by 9.5. It's a topper or a keep a fall. If you wear it on your head, it can cover most of your hair. So it has an extended amount of coverage on top. So it can be worn where you don't have to show any hair, where it can all be underneath, and it can wear up to the hairline because it has a lace front, which is amazing. So we're gonna show it on Alyssa. The color, this one is a dark ombre, which has dark on top, and then it has lighter highlights on the bottom, which completely blends in with her hair. So first we're gonna put it on, and then the stylist is gonna cut it. If you are blending it with longer hair, you definitely wanna trim the bottom of the topper just to remove some of the weight so it blends more evenly. Now we'll show you a close-up of the lace front, because you are able to wear this with blending your front, but here she has no hair out in her front and it looks like it's coming out of her head because it has that lace front, so it lays super natural. It doesn't need much in the blending, actually. I don't even know if it needs to be cut. She blended it already. Okay, so as you can see here, I personally cannot even see where her hair is and where the topper is. It blends that well. And we can get some close-ups of this, and it just gave you like this fuller, it's beautiful. Yeah, how do you like it, Alyssa?
Yeah, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And do you see how much volume you have here?
The hairline is really nice.
The hairline's amazing.
With the lace.
It's like really growing out of your head. And what's nice here is it's a little bit shorter, so it gives you that like the face framing, and then your long hair blends into it, but it gives you like really like a fuller, more of a long layered kind of look.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's really pretty. I like it.
Yeah.
And it definitely feels like way more coverage up top than a traditional topper. So.
Right. And we'll show you some close-ups of the part because it's really like amazing.